We're GoToMath.com doing radical equations, some radical equations, and what are we doing? 5.1, I believe. Alright, we have the square root of something, 4x plus 15, and that is going to be equal to 2x. So what we'll want to do here is we're going to square this radical to get rid of it. Square the old radical. And if we square the left hand side, we must square the right hand side. Alright, so squaring that radical gets rid of it, so now we've got 4x plus 15, and that is going to be equal to, we want to square that too, that's 4x squared. Alright. Okay, so what we'll want to do now is let's take the 4x and the 15 over to the right. So 0 is equal to 4x squared minus 4x plus 15. Okay. Well, we want to look at these coefficients in this constant here and see if there's any way we can factor something out of there, and there's not. Okay, because that's just a 4 and there's no 4's hiding in 15. So we can't do that. We'll need to factor this thing, and those are always lovely to do. I feel like a deja vu moment, like we've just done this. Did we do this in a previous problem? This guy here, it seems like. It's weird. Okay. I don't know. I feel like maybe it's 2x. 2x. And 15 is 3 and 5. That's about all we can really do. I think we did do a 3 and 5 in the previous problem. Now that I think about it, let's look at this. 2 times that's negative 10 plus 3, no, plus 6 is negative 4, and 3 times negative 5 is negative, whoa, that's positive 15. What's going on here? What is, oh, what the heck? How, that's weird. I thought I saw a negative 15 there. I think subliminally that 15 brought over to the right, that should have been a negative 15. That kind of trips me out. Alright, that's weird. Instead of this being wrong, this was wrong. Wow. Okay, negative 15. Alright, let's move on. Let's move along, little doggy. So we have little doggy. I know this girl, she always used to say, "Get along, little doggy." I was like, after about a year of that, I'd had enough of that. And she thought it was doggy, like a doggy, you know, like a collie or a, let's see, or a, I can't even think any breeds of dogs. Pit bull. Get along, or poodle. Get along, little doggy. Oh my gosh. It's doggy, and that's a calf. A calf, and I think they came out of when they used to run cattle across the plains. Get along, little doggy. What do we got? 5 halves? Okay, these are the two possible solutions here. Alright, the two possible solutions. And if we plugged in, so we've been doing this, better continue to do it, I guess. We have 4 times negative 3 halves. I mean, this is a big part of this problem. Check and see if your solutions are correct. Right, and that is in question. Is that really equal to 2 times negative 3 halves? Alright, let's take a look at this. We got 2 goes, this is nice, 2 goes into 4 twice, and 2 times negative 3 is going to be negative 6. negative 6 plus 15 is negative 6 plus 15. That's 4 and 5 is 9. Is that right? Negative 6. Yeah. Square root of 9 actually, or 3. Alright. Well, obviously, that is definitely not equal to negative 3. Now this is 3. That's negative 3. I shouldn't say definitely. It was just off by a sign, wasn't it? Well, anyway, so those aren't equal. So that's not going to be a solution. So let's check to see if 5 halves is a solution. Plus 15. Okay. And then we've got, what am I doing? That's a good question. 2 times 5 halves. So this side's going to be 5. What do we got going on over here? And this is obviously not 5. 2 goes into 4. What? Well, wait a minute. 2 goes into 4 2 times. 2 times 5 is 10. That's 25. Wait a minute. That is 5. And that's 5. Bam, that's a solution. So the solution set contains 5. Wait a minute. Yeah. Contains 5 halves. There we go. So, we're over here, go to math.com. See you in the next problem.